Hey, hi friends, Sam here. So today we will talk about currently trending topic. If you're aware, few days back, Indian government launched eRupee, that is digital rupee, digital currency of India. Now, I usually talk about IT professional, IT job, and IT career. So you might be thinking that what Sam is talking about this e-rupee, whether this is the finance video or something. No, it's not. So after launching this e-rupee, what is happening? It is impacting the banking industry a lot. So if you visit bank, what bank people are doing? Bank people, there are many people to count currency notes, many people to give that currency notes on the counter, many people to do the accounting of the currency, physical notes and all, many people doing this in the bank. This will be highly impacted with this e-rupee thing which is done by government and RBI. Okay, now what is happening? The people who are doing all these jobs, I call them as repetitive jobs, redundant jobs. So these can be easily replaced by change in process. They get outdated because of regulation changes. They get outdated because of automation, because of technology. So this e-rupee will be impacting highly to banking people job profiles. So profiles which are dealing with cashiers and all that, who are dealing with physical notes, soon that will be outdated. Now, as an IT professional, what is learning for me? I always say that if you are in the job which can be replaceable by tool, by some technology, then be on alert, my dear friends. Don't wait till your company fires you. Just move out of such role and join something which is irreplaceable. What is that? Okay, are you confused? So basically, if you are doing admin support job, you are monitoring defect logs, you are reporting that defects log to the developer, you are filling Excel sheet, okay, you are uploading Excel sheet, you are doing data sanitization manually, you are doing such kind of activities. So more specifically, admin, support, monitoring such kind of activities which are very vulnerable profiles that can be easily replaced by automations, technologies, and even process change slightly can make these kind of profiles outdated. So beware, my dear friends. Again, I will suggest you the same thing. Leave this and start your journey to get into development role. Okay, so I strongly recommend you that if you are in such kind of repetitive, redundant roles, then plan your exit plan. If you cannot decide, I can help you out. So below this video somewhere my contact details might be there. You can ping me and you can take my advice. I can very well help you how you can exit from such redundant roles and get into something better, development role and all. That will be better for you, that will be irreplaceable for you, that will take you to the architect and designer, that kind of roles, which are really premium job profiles in IT industry. Okay, all due respect to other roles, but that's what my opinion, that's what from my experience I can tell you that. So right now, just get in touch with me and I can help you for that. Another thing is that if you cannot decide whatever you are doing, whether it is really replaceable, really redundant role or not, you can take my help in that also. So just ping me on my WhatsApp number somewhere, my team number might be there. Ping there and just notify me that what kind of role you perform, and I can help you identify whether your role is redundant or not, whether it will be replaceable in short future or not, and I can help you to create your exit plan to get into the better role. Okay, that is need of an hour, my dear friends. If you wait, it will be too late for you. Consider this as the alert. I do have two things for you. One thing, I started the free video series. So down the video somewhere that registration link might be there. Get into that and register for that. Idea is one power pack video I will be directly delivering to your WhatsApp. Link will be there. I will not be make your media folder full and all, I don't do that. But once in a week, I will hit your WhatsApp and I will send you short power pack video. It will be game changer for you. Second thing to share with you, in case if you need my help, you can get in call with me. Ping my team member, ping my WhatsApp number and get into the career consultancy call. Okay, I can very well help you decide your direction of career. In case if you are from non-IT background, you want to jump into the IT background, I can very well help you in that. I can create your career roadmap and I can very well help you in that. Just initiate the discussion, somewhere it has to be started. Okay, I'm always there for you. I hope this video is useful for you. So launching eRupee, making banking job profiles redundant. Be alert, my dear friends. Learn from this. Any technology, any automation can make your job redundant. Okay, so think about it. Thank you and see you soon again in the next video. Bye-bye.